Hi there. So here we are in another video. Today we will be learning how to read an Excel file. So for reading Excel file there are a few modules and from which I prefer OpenPyXL. So let's start off. First let me specify the encoding of the file. And then I will import, of course, OpenPyXL module. And then there will be path to the file, and here we will call it sample data.xlsx. Let me show you the Excel file that I have, and it simply has 3 columns: first name, last name, and profession, and it's just on a single sheet. There are no more sheets. So what we are now going to do is to load the Excel file as a workbook. Open pyxl.load workbook, and I will simply direct it to the source file. So after that I will have to read a sheet, a specific sheet from it. So I will say that workbook.active. So what it means is that, in Excel, we have a feature that when we close the Excel file, it remembers the sheet which we were on when we were closing. So when we reopen the Excel file, we get to the same sheet. So this command active points to that sheet. So since there were only one sheet, and so it was obviously the active sheet which we closed last time, so it will point to that sheet. So now what we are going to do is to here create a variable. I will say it is an empty list which will hold the data of all the rows in the sheet. So I will have to iterate over all the rows in the sheet. So for row in sheet, now we get the cell objects of each row. So we want to get the value of every cell. So I will do it like this: c.value for C in row. Hope it's clear. So I will then append the row to the collected data. And now let's print the collected data to see the results. Now let's run the code. And we got the correct result. Each row is a list, and we have finally a list of lists. So that's it. This was the simplest possible tutorial, and we will have many more topics coming in our way related to Excel manipulation. See you later. Bye.